Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you in Target Uniform Services, and in this video we will discuss essay topics of UPSC CAPF Assistant Commandant Examination of year 2019. We have already discussed 4 topics of it, first 4, and now in this video we are going to discuss the topic number is 5th. Online gaming is dangerously attractive to youth. The above mentioned 4 topics, the video link you will get in the description, so don't worry. So before starting it, we would like to make an announcement that our academy have started a one particular course regarding the paper 2. In this we will provide you 25 tests, and there are 20 mini tests and 5 full length tests. Any interested candidate can enroll in this up to 25th of June. Thereafter we will not take any new admission, and the main thing is it is free of cost. So we will give you a detailed evaluation, and also the quality of the question will match or will be at par with the UPSC standards. So please be quick and enroll in it. So the topic is online gaming is dangerously attractive to youth, and how we can analyze this topic, from where, from the syllabus it has been asked. So this particular topic is related to the analytical ability directly given in the paper 2 syllabus. So this particular topic is abstract topic. Abstract topic means there is enough scope you can write on this, so there is no limitation, you can write in any multiple of dimensions. So it's an abstract topic, your analytical ability will be checked. Okay, and now let's get started. The online gaming is dangerously attractive to youth. So before writing anything, you have to just do the brainstorming. And what is the brainstorming in this? First of all, you have to identify keywords in the given topic. What are the keywords? Is online gaming. Another is a very attractive, it's a dangerously attractive, so there are negative connotation attached to that, to the youth. And the what is the targeting section of it? It is the youth. So analytical ability का क्वेश्चन है पर्टिकुलर सिलेबस से. You have to analyze how it will affect the youth, and in larger picture how it will going to affect our country and a nation. So what is the basic idea? The basic idea behind this video is to make you a thinking individual, to increase your creativity and curiosity. We do not support the rote learning method. Okay, you will find various videos at the YouTube that पहले से ये कैसे लिखा हुआ है and they just narrate it. We do not support this kind of method. What we do is we only do a brainstorming session in the video. Through this you can analyze how a one particular essay can be written in a multiple dimension, and thereafter you will not feel any problem while writing a essay. So stick to this particular formula. Before writing anything, you have to do the brainstorming, and the brainstorming should be directed. You have to identify the keywords, and you have to do the some jotting on the paper, and you can easily write thereafter. So starting with it, let's start with the dangerously attractive keyword. Why it is a dangerously attractive online gaming? Online gaming, like we have seen a lot of games like recently, like PUBG and Rummy. It's a gambling game, and PUBG and 4G, currently recently supported by one Bollywood actor, Akshay Kumar. And why this particular thing has become a dangerously active to youth? Because it has some effects. What are the effects? There are negative effects, like it take an effect on the physical and mental health of an individual. And WHO recently they have also classified gaming disorder a disease. WHO has also said that gaming disorder is a disease. So इतना कुछ होने के बाद still people like a Bollywood actor like Akshay Kumar, he has supported another game called Fauji. And why do we need all this gaming? Just to replace a game like PUBG because it is supported by one of our adversary countries. Thereafter we have to launch our own game and again impact on our youth. So what are more effect on our youth? Can we talk about main thing like what is the biggest asset of a country? Biggest asset of a country is the human resource. Human resource. You can talk about the Israel, they have a limited population, but the skill set and the information technology they have, the technology and in the defense sector, it is all due to the human resource because they have the quality of human resources and the skill set of that resource is very high. Can we talk now with respect to the India? There is a one particular index like Global Innovation Index. Global Innovation Index. In 2020, India's rank was 48th. Why, despite having a so much large population, India is at the 48th rank? So there are so lot of people in there, but still we are at 48th place. Why there is no innovation in that? And over the above, now our youth is more attractive to the online gaming. So what will happen? Our innovation, the ability, the thinking ability will deteriorate in future. And another important thing we can talk is like another index is Global Competitiveness Index. Global Competitiveness Index. In this we have slipped 10 position from 2018. Our rank was 58th and now we slipped to 2019 to rank 68th. So how we will be competitive if we do not have enough startup, enough entrepreneurship programs, enough technology, enough innovative ideas where it will all come through? It will all come through the youth or the present the leadership we have in this scenario. But suppose a situation like our economic survey, they have also given a report. They have given a report on the demographic dividend. Demographic dividend. What is demographic dividend? Demographic dividend is something when you have a bulge in the youth population. When you have a youth population bulge as compared to the total population. So youth की population ज़्यादा है and economic survey has said that we will witness a peak around 2041. In this 20 to 59 years age bracket में we will have the 59% of population. So इस age bracket में this is called the working age and in 2041 we will witness 59% of the population will be in this bracket. And suppose if this particular population is not skilled, is not technologically efficient or sound, so what will happen? This demographic dividend will turn into demographic disaster. देखो आपको सिंपली ऐसे लिखना है कि दिस ऑनलाइन गेमिंग इज़ अ डेंजरसली uh, attractive towards the youth. You can simply quote some examples, like there are recent events, like there are some suicide cases in MP due to the blue whale, and PUBG, like some has suicide because their father or their family, they scolded over the overplaying of the game, and he attempted again a suicide. This particular state you can like in this way, but you have to understand from the perspective of your examiner. Your examiner is he can be a retired bureaucrat, he can be a professor, he can from anything, any place, from he can from the academician. ठीक है, you have to understand from their perspective. आप ऐसे blindly मत लिखिए, because he will lose interest, because he has no interest in the regional news. Regional news में he has no interest. Please write broadly, please write on the national issues which are important. Write on national issues. So इस वीडियो में you will get understand. Everybody knows about global innovation index, global competitive index. Here we are telling you how to use these indexes in your essay. ठीक है, आपकी thinking ability enhance हो रही है. So coming back to it, डेमोग्राफिक डिजास्टर में टर्न हो जाएगा इफ आवर पॉपुलेशन विल नॉट बी स्किल्ड, इफ इट द एनर्जी ऑफ द यूथ विल नॉट बी चैनलाइज्ड, इफ आवर यूथ विल कीप ऑन स्टिक ऑन दिस ऑनलाइन गेमिंग. ठीक है, तो इट्स अ चेन ऑफ इवेंट्स. तो इट्स अ विशियस साइकिल. अगर हमारा यूथ इसमें ट्रैप हो जाता है तो इट्स अ विशियस साइकिल, ये घूमती रहती है. और व्हाट एल्स वी कैन टॉक अबाउट? वी कैन talk about an important report of NASSCOM. It's one particular association जो IT इंडस्ट्रीज़ में जितने भी इनोवेशन होते हैं और जो रिक्वायरमेंट है उस पर रिपोर्ट देती है. तो NASSCOM they have said that majority of the engineers they are unemployable. ठीक है, उनकी employable skill नहीं है. They do not have the requisite skill set. ठीक है, रिक्विजिट स्किल सेट नहीं है जो मार्केट में रिक्वायर्ड है. क्यों नहीं है? बिकॉज अगर वन पर्टिकुलर पर्सन रादर देन फोकसिंग ऑन द एजुकेशन, रादर देन फोकसिंग ऑन द इंजीनियरिंग, एंड ही वाज कीप ऑन प्लेइंग गेम्स, सो उसका स्किल सेट कैसे इंप्रूव होगा? अगेन इट्स अ लैक ऑफ कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्कफोर्स. तो आवर वर्कफोर्स will not have the requisite the skill set, and there we will face the issue of lack of competent workforce. This is the issue. And what it leads to? It will lead to lack of innovation. All things are interconnected. Lack of innovation or innovation scarcity, कोई भी आप नाम लिखिए. तो इससे क्या होगा? पीपल विल लूज एनालिटिकल माइंड. ठीक है, पीपल विल लूज एनालिटिकल माइंड. देयर आफ्टर वी विल नॉट हैव अ लीडरशिप रोल. वन इम्पोर्टेंट रिपोर्ट like aspiring minds, they have said that कि around 3%, only 3% of the engineers are equipped to take place at the leadership role. So 3% of engineers, only this much people are capable to take leadership role. What about the others? Don't they have this? And on the above it, if the coming generation, the youth, if they start playing game blindly and do not focusing on the studies and do not focusing on other things, on the health, their health will deteriorate and their thinking ability will be deteriorate. So again, और क्या इसको हम सॉल्यूशन के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? व्हाट वी कैन डू? कैन वी डू फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स साइड? देयर विल बी मोर monitoring. From the parent side there will be more monitoring. And can we take help of school education to channelize their energy? How you will channelize their energy? There is one particular program started by the government of India about Atal Tinkering lab. In this, the students, they will be provided enough material. Through this, any student want to do some research and some innovation, they will provide with this instrument. So through this we can channelize their energy. Can we talk on more programs like Khelo India? In this, their energy will be channelized in the sports games. So they will be doing some quality work rather than working or investing their energy at the online games. They should be pursuing some good things. What else can we talk about? More awareness regarding cyber crimes, because these online gaming, they are associated with the cyber bullying, and there is a one particular case we have seen during the Rummy. There is a cyber fraud also. So the monetary value, it was deducted from their bank account because a lot of leakage of data, of debit card data and credit card data we have seen at the internet. Anybody can be fall victim if they sign up with their credit card details. So there is a tendency of cyber fraud and cyber bullying. So we need to provide some start some awareness program to increase awareness among the youngsters, so that they do not end up in losing the hard earned money of their parents. We have seen 20 lakh rupees or around 10 lakh rupees was spent on some at the PUBG game. That was a news. It was the hard earned money of his grandfather, so it was all spent. Another thing we can do is we can ask our Bollywood players, Bollywood actors and actress and any important dignitaries to appeal youngsters that do not fall victim of these online games. And suppose a condition like if Sachin Tendulkar would have played this games in the initial career of his growth, what would happen? क्या वो इस स्टेज पे आ पाते? No, that was not possible. So one needs to avoid distraction. One should not fall at this tendency. He should be focused. He should channelize his energy. इस तरह से important dignitaries की हम help ले सकते हैं. So I think we have discussed enough. अगर आप ये सब चीज़ें इसमें लिखते हैं, your essay will be more enriched. Your essay will be more current oriented. Your essay will be more something के ऐसे national level पे जो news है, and you are able to connect it. ठीक है. So keep on watching our videos. Next time we'll bring another issue. So till then, goodbye.